at the very moment our roots stretch out and touch the vastness of everything. We come to realize that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. In this chaotic world, where our voices often feel lost and our hearts unsure, and we find the courage to silence the fear of judgment. We embrace the truth that failure is not a setback, but a stepping stone, an essential part of our journey. We come to understand that our dreams are not just aspirations. They are the lifeblood that help us navigate the turbulent waters of everyday life. They are the pulse of our existence, the final breath of reason that reminds us to keep going, and the spark of faith that fuels our climb to the summit. And when we reach that place of freedom, we realize at last the incredible strength within us, how much we are capable of.